Hi, I am Shomi. If you are watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe. And if you are already watching me, thank you so much for supporting. I received a request in my comment box to do a video on how to fix false eyelashes. First of all, thank you so much to put the comment in my comment box for the video. Your comments encourage me a lot to do a new video for the topic. So today I'll show how to fix your false eyelashes very quickly, and along with that I'll show how to define your eyebrows very easily. So let's get started. So fixing false eyelashes can be very difficult for beginners, I know, but once you learn the tricks, it will not be very difficult for you anymore. So today I'll show you a very unusual way to fix it, and I hope it will help you. So please watch the video till the end and please do not skip any steps. Let's start for the eyebrows. For me, eyebrows define our face. Even if I am not doing any makeup, even lipstick, I do prefer to touch up my eyebrows a little. A thin eyebrow will age your face. Today I'll show how we can define our eyebrows in detail. Let's see what all do we need. We need dark brown eyeshadow like this one, and a shade lighter than this one. These three brushes: an angular brush, small or big will do, a flat top brush, and a mascara brush, and any foundation or concealer. Before starting off, please do remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. Please do like, comment and share the video. First take the angular brush. I am choosing this dark brown shade from MAC X9 palette. Please make sure that your eyeshadow should be non-glittery and matte. Follow your natural eyebrow lines. To do the top line, leave a little gap here, basically where your brow hairs are straight. Draw the curve according to your face shape, your natural brow shape, and how you want it. Oh, I just forget one step before starting off. Brush your eyebrows with mascara brush. So our outlines are ready to be filled up. One thing to take care, the side of the brush while we draw. For this side, we have to hold the brush in this way. And for this side, we have to flip the brush. Now I will use the lighter shade. Even it out with the help of the mascara brush. I've taken a little concealer on the tip of the flat brush. This step helps to define your eyebrows and gives you a clean look. So let's start with how we can fix our false eyelashes very quickly, some tips and tricks. Today I'll show some unusual way to do it and hope it will help you. To start with, we need false eyelashes. obviously. This is for regular use, and this one is with extra volume for some special occasion. This one I used in my Durga Puja, Ashtami and Dashami look. Please do check out the video if you have not checked it yet. Link you may find in description box. Eyelash glue. I must say that we need a good quality glue. I am using here PAC Lash Fixer eyelash adhesive. This is quite good one. An eyelash curler, mascara, eyeliner, black kajal, eyelash applicator. This is the one. Or we can use simple tweezer also. You may feel that eyelash curler and mascara may not be required, but that's not the case. If you don't use it, our natural eyelashes directions are like this and false eyelashes are curved. So if you do not use mascara and eyelash curler, it will be like this, a gap between these two, which can be noticed. So if you use eyelash curler, it will, our natural eyelashes will mix with false eyelashes. For beginners, I would suggest that buy 1 or 2 good quality branded eyelashes, and for practicing purpose buy few non-branded local eyelashes. Good quality eyelashes can be used 5 or 6 times depending upon how you are using it, how you are putting them back and storing it. Now this type of eyelash glues are very easy to apply. It will be transparent after application. There are black glues also, but I would suggest that use a transparent one, because if we use black glues, there is a chance that eyelash can be misplaced and spoil your makeup. So now let's start with the process. First I'll curl my eyelashes. Please be very careful while using this eyelash curler. Do not give extra pressure. Today I'll show you using with this tweezer because it is easily available and mostly you all already have it with you. I'll apply the glue in small dots following the eyeliner line as close as possible to my natural eyelashes. But make sure that glue should not go inside your eyes. You can apply the glue on the false eyelash band also, but it will be little difficult for beginners to fix it. As I have applied the glue on the eyelid, there is a less chance that it will be placed wrongly as compared to when we put the glue on the lash band. Now sometimes it happens mostly when we reuse a lash. The curve just got damaged. Then we have to bend it a little and give it a shape. Now I'll show another mistake while fixing it up. So now see, the placement is wrong. The eyelash has been placed outwards. The inner corner looks empty. Fill the upper waterline with kajal. And redo the liner work if required. And here I am done with my look. So thank you so much for watching the video and hope it will help you out. Please like, comment and share the video. Please do remember to subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. See you soon in my next video.